Okay, guys, we're gonna jump scare Moots and Bowie. I can't see her. She has on the mask. And I'm gonna call them in here. I'm gonna turn off the light.
Why you standing at me?
Come in.
You did not scare
You did not get scared.
You should have scared them when it was first coming in. Like, now they ain't like on everybody. Oh, shit. Like, what? Let go. Keep stuck. Look at Moons. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all colors. Why so
Okay, you guys, I have one bag full of clothes. Now we have much more to go.
This is what my sister, her right there, gave me for my birthday. My aunt's birthday. Why her forehead so big?
You guys, the quality is worse because I'm recording on my old phone. Because my other phone, the storage is full. Okay, you guys, I got this big black bag right here. Because we only have like a few bags. So I got this one just in case.
So shut up.
Huh?
So shut up.
Don't pop those. That's how my laptop said.
Oh! We can pop two more.
Get in here.
That's how I sound.
Wing.
When I eat Taco Bell. Why you smirking like that? Roblox face.
Let the free.
Y'all do this back and remind y'all of anybody?
No.
You like Taco Bell.
No, this was Bonita. He had wear this when he was a baby.
That do not remind me of Bo.
We had put it between his legs and we had tied it up. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I have this doll that Seven gave me. Yeah. I had bought her a Stray Kids keychain from Temu, and she gave me this for it. And Moons ate his tail off because Moons liked to play with this, but she ate his tail and his thing off.
His little button.
And then Moons also did this to my Care Bear. And Moons also did this to my Green Bear. She did this to some of my other toys too. Because she likes to play with these miniature dolls. And she likes to tear them up. As you can see.
No, you can't. Do y'all have a trash bag in here?
Hmm?
Do y'all have a trash bag in here?
No.
What is that?
What you mean? Like for some trash? Oh yeah. A bag for the trash? Yeah.
Just gonna deal with all that later on. Oh my gosh. So look. My pinky is my bullet.
Oh
my god.
And this is
Oh my god. But I'm a bite back. Ain't no air. You can't come in the ear. Come get back. I don't need your feet back.
Okay, you guys, right now, I have this bag of trash and this bin of the stuff that they is keeping. So We'll just put all the random stuff in this bin, the trash in here. We almost done.
Yeah.
Just stop it.
Hey y'all. So y'all, I want to show y'all what my Christmas list is. So black Converse, knee pads, cause I be dancing. Please, Stray Kids concert tickets, please. Cargo pants, SKZ album, K-pop, headphones, so I be listening to Stray Kids. Okay. Kids, smartphone.
You can walk there.
I'm gonna say that to a burger. So, kid smartphone. Stray Kid toys, SK Zoos. Stray Kids photo cards. Stray Kids light stick. That. Stray Kids SK Zoo clothes. And obviously, Stray Kids.
Okay, guys, this is something else that I found. I forgot about this. It's really cute, isn't it? Oh, I dropped it. And here's the other one. It's really cute. You guys, we're pretty much done. They're gonna decide what they're gonna do with this stuff in the bin. And the clothes are in, wait. The clothes are, I don't know, this bag right there. And we're gonna put that suitcase back in there. Yeah, this is how their closet looks. Well, now my part is done. This is gonna be an unedited video, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.